Hi, I'm Nicole, and I'm working with Ninja to introduce to you Amazon's latest exclusive, the Ninja Compact Kitchen System with Auto IQ. This is the perfect addition to your kitchen for all of your blending and food processing needs. Not only can you create your favorite the Precision Processor Bowl, you can make bread and cookie doughs, pie crusts, dips, sauces, and purees. If you're experimenting with blending and processing times, or if you know how long you need to blend or process for, you can use the manual settings. You can choose to blend continuously for up to 60 seconds by pressing the start and stop button. Or you can use pulse to have greater control over the blending. Use short presses for short pulses and long presses for long pulses. With the Compact Kitchen System, not only do you get all of these great accessories, but you also get this recipe inspiration guide to help you get started. Learn about the different drinks, smoothies, and shakes you can whip up in the pitcher and the single serve cups, and the treats that you can tackle in the Precision Processor Bowl. And remember to check out the tips in the inspiration guide for loading and blending. Looking for more recipe inspiration or have more questions? Visit ninjakitchen.com to find everything you're looking for.